Fine. We'll do DOM manipulation. DOM4.html. So now using DOM manipulation, you can build the whole web page using JavaScript only. You can manipulate the DOM. DOM means document object model, which is HTML document which is loaded in the browser. Right. So it is in mobile mode. Let it be. So now using DOM manipulation, I want to develop this. See, we have 7 courses. The 7 courses object, I will prepare it first. How you can prepare this 7 courses object? Tell me, I will write. Let courses equal to, tell me, I will write. I need to prepare 7 courses. I will write in the script tag. Tell me how to build that. So just analyze it. What all parameters you have here? Course name, duration, course description. 3 properties for every course. And put ID also something, because if I open it here, it is the course ID, right? Based on that, we'll fetch the data. So course ID also. Now let's build the object. Just tell me, I will write. Objects. First we'll create objects. How many you want, you can create, okay? 2, 3. Let it be 5 or 6. I'll just copy paste it, not an issue. Okay. Now, so what all keys we have? Course name, right? Course name. Next, course duration. Next, course description. So by just seeing the HTML page, you need to build the object. That is why we'll need to learn objects and its shallow copy, deep copy, its keys, values, modifying that. Everything we learn because of that. Only that will drive you the whole website. JSON will drive the whole website. You see, right? That is the structure. If you don't have that objects, we can't build the page, right? Because I need to append the data, right? If I'm not appending, it is empty, right? You already know that. Now this we have. Finally, we have ID, which is unique identification number. I will give some random thing anyway. So now let's see. I have React.js. I will just copy this, put into the course name. I'll have 3 months, which is a duration. Put into the course duration. We have content. Put into here. So that is fine. So now whenever I click on it, I got some ID. Copy this ID also. Right click and format document. Yes. So we have one course. Same way, do the same way. Just steal the information. Fine. So what I do now, I'll just remove each and everything. I'll just put the same. So every object will be comma because it's an array of objects. You know that. So now put .NET Core backend developer. So we'll just modify the data. It's 3 months only. I think here nobody observed till today. Every content is same. It should be not same. It should be different. I need to change today itself. But nobody observed, right? Till we came here. See, that's what's. So if I give some paragraph, you will not read. Only main point you will focus. That is the reality. Got it, right? That's why you need to make your own point based on your understanding so that you can directly express you about that question, whatever you ask by someone in interview or somewhere in real life. So that is the real example where we focus. Our focus on me only on main points. So that is why I'm also not able to identify till today because I will open daily, right? When I'm developing initially, I just put the same content to make it structure, but I didn't focus on that content after that. So we have advantage anyway because description is same. We no need to change. Duration is also same, right? So the next one. So let it be. It's fine. So we got this because we need to just focus on structure. I just put right. I just change Python. Python developer. Python full stack. .NET full stack. Right, fine. We got some of the courses. Let's see. Java backend. Fine. React.js we have 2 times. I will put testing. Manual plus automation. Let's see. That's it. We have some 6 courses, let it be fine. So now, at least in body, I can create a container. That container, which is a division, I will give a name for it, class, like courses container. Inside that, I need to put the courses. That's it, completed. Now I need to build the whole JavaScript using DOM manipulation. So for DOM, we have document object. Document dot get element by ID, class name, tag name. So using these four, mostly we'll do use it. So how to get this? First, I will get it in the browser so that I can understand it better. Then we'll get the element. Then we'll append the child. So now let's see. I'll just focus on this one. So what is that? It is having card header, right? It is class. So now I'll just get document dot get element by class name. We need to give the just name. It's card header, right? Since it is having hyphen, it's not copied the whole name. If you have hyphen, please remember it can't copy the whole name. You need to drag it. If it is having the same name without hyphen, it will copy the same name by just double click. Okay. See now, I'll just show you this. If you have this, it will select only this. It will select only this one. If you do copy, it will not copy the whole thing. If it is having hyphen, if it is not having hyphen, then only it will copy. That is double click operation might happen in computer in any programming language. Fine. So that is okay. So now let's see. Since it is getting by class name, we have headers for most of the things. Like we have 6 subjects, we have 6 headers. What is the return type of the class name? It is the array of HTML elements. You got it right? It's HTML collection array. So it got the 6 headers. So now we need to take the first one means we need to put 0. The same way now, since it is a course container, even though it is having only one value, it will get as an array. It will get like this. How? So it will get like this with one as a value because it's having only one. Then we need to put half 0 and need to access the first index. So we need to access that using first index. So now if we're having ID, go to this website and check any ID if we have. Let's check any ID we have. Go to source tab and check any ID. Just control F. We are here, right? Elements tab. Source means files we have which are in local. Elements means HTML document which is loaded in the browser will get it. Now control F, put ID equal to. Okay, let it be. We have some ID here, right? So just focus on this. Just enter clear. Clear is a function. Okay. We need to do function call. Okay. Document dot get element by ID. We got an element. Since it's an ID, it knows it is having only unique element. Even though if it is having 2 elements with same ID, it will get the first one only, first occurrence, right? So that is one. Now you will get by class name. Sorry, you'll get by name. Like for inputs for the form elements, will give name also, right? For example, if it is first name, if we have first name also, we can go by name. Since it is not there, get elements by name, I think. Get elements by name, right? Since it's having empty, it will get empty. Since it is having name will be having more than one person. Mahesh will be 2 Mahesh, 3 Mahesh. We'll get all the Mahesh. Now finally, we have get elements by tag name. Means I want to get paragraph. Since paragraphs are 90 or 5 we'll get all those. If we will get divisions, all the divisions, these are 65 divisions are there. We divided all the modules, everything is a division. We'll get all this. This is tag name by tag, by bold tag, by paragraph tag, by market tag, anything you can get it. Finally, we have document dot query selector. So now I will select query by paragraph, by tag, or by name. or by class. Since you are using class and ID, you need to put the same as CSS class selector, like card header. You got it? If you want to put by ID, then put the same hash for ID name, okay? Then only we'll get it. This is the ID, right? In previous comment. Again, just go to the next comment. So just copy that. You'll get that. So what is query selector all? Query selector all means it will get all the occurrences. If you get query selector, it will get the only first occurred element. That is the thing. Query selector will get only one element which is matched. Query selector all will get all the match like class. It will get more than one value which is occurred. Query selector will get only the first occurred value, right? So this is how we'll filter it. Same like ID also. Only one. You got it right. So now the thing is there is a HTML page. We have structure like body or div. By getting that, we need to append all the chains. So now let's see. I'm not having anything here. I have this is the header, which is constant. You already know this everything I want to bind. I will get this course container division. From there, I will I will append child h2 tag. CSS also how to apply, I will tell you. After that, I will append child, which is horizontal line. After that, I will create a division. Again, for that division, I will append all these children, called children, right? Then I will do this. Then after that, right side, this all I will put in row, like row column 9. This will be column 3. Again, inside that, we can do that. We will not do this many in this available time, but I will do build this one. Okay, build this functionality. Okay, using HTML, using only JavaScript. So now let's see, we have the main division. This is the main division. The whole is the main division. Inside that, we'll put all this one by one. Okay, so let's see. So let's create a function. So that function will do. We need to call that function build courses, right? Finally, we'll call here only. So now here, first we'll get let parent div is document dot get element by class name. What is class name? Course container. Course container. Since it's class, we need to put 0, so we'll get the first element. Fine, that is completed. Now you need to loop the courses. Before looping, just want to do parent division dot. So first we'll create header, right? Available courses as a header, you know, right? This I want to build. Manage and maintain course list. Since it's admin dashboard, it will get this. LMS, you'll get what? LMS. I don't remember. I think up selected courses or enrolled courses. It might be the different heading. Now let's put the same. Course heading. I will create a variable and will create a new HTML element using document dot create element. I want H1 now. Let it be H1. It's the very thing. Now again here only I will do inner HTML equal to this one main. That's it. Fine. Again I can do the same line also, but let it be. Again I will do okay. Let it be. So course heading dot class name equal to header 1. For this header 1, I can apply CSS dot. What I need to do, major thing only color we will do, not more than that, right? Nothing much. Font family also we can do because that font is different. Font family is sans serif. So header is completed as what we expect here. This is what we expect. This is completed, but text align center also we need to do, right? That also we can apply for this class name. Text align center, that is completed, means header is completed. We added some class name, right? That is completed, right? Fine. So now what I need to do, I will append to parent division dot append child of course heading. Got it, right? Now header is appended to this division. Means let's see here we got header. అర్థమైంది కదా? We got header. Header is completed. Now what horizontal line I want? HR horizontal line. Again I will create a new let HR equal to document dot create element HR. Again do parent division dot append child of HR. That is also completed, right? Now we start doing the same. So now we will create new container. Here it starts course container. Okay. Now we'll create new element E equal to document dot create element of courses containers, right? Courses, sorry, this is not a class name. Create a division, right? So now, since we created here, after this, I want to loop courses. I just created division. Inside that, I want to loop it, right? All the course I want to add in, initially. So courses dot for each. Here I can loop it every course. Inside the course, we can create a division. Let C equal to document dot create element div. Div. Inside that, what I need to do first? So this is completed and this is completed. Again, we create a division. Inside that, we'll put all the courses divisions. First one is paragraph, which is bold color. Next one, months, which is in white color, which is bold. Again, we have description, which is paragraph. Three are paragraphs only. The third one is center aligned, text align center. These two are text align start. You already know that. Now just see here. Just name equal to document dot create element of paragraph dot inner HTML equal to course dot course name completed. So what we do here, all the paragraphs I want bold color, right? Font weight bolder. So all paragraph what we created here that will become bold. Fine. So the next one will be let duration, right? DUR document dot create element of paragraph. We created duration. Directly we adding inner HTML equal to course dot course duration. Fine. The next thing is I will give break line tag, line break. We can do if you want. Otherwise, we can, since we are doing paragraph, it will automatically get in the next line. So now we have description. So document dot create element of again paragraph dot inner HTML equal to course dot course description. Finally, we need to add class for this duration only. Duration dot add class name equal to primary. Primary means our primary color, which we know. So just give some primary color. You already know our primary color. Let's give the same color because it is asking for that, right? We need to give that without fail. So we added primary for only duration, not class name. Okay, duration dot class name, right? Fine, that is completed. Now finally what I need to do, I need to append to course for C, right? First, which I want to append? Header, right? No, name. Anyway, header is previous one. Name I appended first. Next one, I need to append duration, right? Next, I want to append description. Completed. Finally, after all, I need to append this course to this E. That's it, right? This E I need to have E dot append child of C. But finally, I need to create an I. This division I want beautiful. So now C dot class name, I will give as a course as a class name. This one I can directly give styling, okay? I give some padding as one rem. Font family, sans serifs. Margin, I need to give margin left and right and everything. Margin as one rem. So it will take at least margin one division to another division. And I want to put division side by side. Float left. It will come side by side. So whatever the space that is available, that will take and move out to the left. Since it's moved to the left, the next one will come in the same place. So I will put some width to max content, height to also max content. But since we are giving padding and margin, that is aligned properly. Now I will give some border, 1 pixel solid gray. Since we given gray, it will be like thicker gray. I don't want thicker gray. We'll give decent gray. Opacity I will decrease. You know that. Now since we already did this much, I want to put effort for you already know if I'm going there. Definitely, box shadow. So get this. Since I'm doing this, use some border radius, 6 pixel. Now this is good. We didn't see at all, but we want to imagine it. Okay, this might be good. Okay. Finally, this paragraph description, we need to give align center, right? Dot class name equal to align center. For this class, we can create text align center. That's it, right? I don't know what it happened, but I thought definitely it gets the same. But we got some error. Just execute this. I know where it is error. If I just go through the here we got this. This is courses container. Here we got this. Here we created and we appended. Now again we create. No, fine. I don't see any error in the code. Let's check. There is a one error, right? Definitely there is an error. Append child on node parameter one is not type of node. Just go here. What is here? Append child of course heading. Create element. Yes. So what you do here? I'll just append in the next line. Let's check. Course heading dot inner HTML2 is this one. So let's check again. Just I'll put some debugger here. Let's see what is happening. Yes. What I need to do, I should not do it in inline. So basically what is happening? Its return type is string. Since it's return type is string, it will get as the string value. It will not the node. So I will not append in the same line. Here I should not append in the same line. Don't do that. So we'll append in the new line. Okay. I'll append name dot. Fine. Again, I will append in the duration dot. Because I want shortcut. That's why it is do that, but it will not work. Since you are appending that return type is string. So once you appended this here, it will return as a string. It will not give us a HTML paragraph node. That is the error. That I will debug and show you here. Since we already came here, right? I will debug and show you here. So let's refresh and we'll show you, right? See, we have this course header. That is fine, right? This is happened. This is okay. Now let's go here. So now this is happened. This is also happened. Now let's check here. Here this is node paragraph node. You know how you know console.dir XML. Put dir XML so that you can get all the things, right? You already know that dir XML. Just put duration for dir XML so you can have that whole Just put some name. Okay, here we have messages. See, we have this, right? So we got this. That's fine. Or even if you want to put XML, we'll get it. dir, we'll get this. It's a paragraph. So we'll get only this one. If you put dir XML, it will get only the tag, all everything. So now let's see. Here, if you put here, see it will be string. So that is the return type of that. Every return type where we can able to get, whenever you hover on this, you'll get the return type. So that is why you should not do in the same line. Then you are appending as a child, then it will not accept string because it is HTML document node it should get. Then only it will add into the nodes, then it will become tree, document tree. You already know how the tree structure. Here the tree structure will be elements. It is the parent. Inside that we have three children. Again in styles we have these children. Again in body we have this three children. Again if I expand this, it is having two children. So like that is the tree structure, right? You already know that. So that will be nodes, leaf node, parent node, child node, right? So not the same way you need to do here. Here we are, right? Just comment yes. I'll just do this. DSC dot, that's it. Fine. Khatam. Ho gaya. I'll just close this. Let it execute. Anything we have remaining? Here something is there. Still we have some error. Let's check. No errors, huh? Are we doing something wrong? So we are appending to E. Where is C? E to C. Finally, this is the E, right? Uh, so finally, this E we need to append to parent div. We are not doing that. Let's do that, okay? Parent div dot append shell. That's it, right? And E, that's it. That's it. We got this. We can just give some width and height so you can get it easily. So width will just put as 200 pixels. If it is max content means paragraph will occupy the whole line, right? So we'll give width as 250 pixel only. So this is how we got it. So now just put background color to this. That is what. Just create some class. BG white. So BG white means I want to put some background color. Background color to hash 0071BD and color to white. This I want, right? I will put BG white to for which name, right? For name. Where is the name? Here, right? For name, I will append this class name. Name dot class list dot push dot add. Because if you want to add two classes, you need to add into class list. Okay. Here I didn't any class. Just you name dot class list equal to empty space and add it. So it's getting right. So we can get this way. Now it seems to be somewhat good. So the okay, everything is bold here. This is paragraph, right? I don't want paragraph full bold. So that will be description, right? Here we have description. Since it's primary, I will override in primary only, okay? Okay, not here, not this one. We added primary for description, no? Duration. So duration, I will add some class. Description dot class name equal to light. So this will be light, right? Font weight, just put 400, then that is fine. Light, madam. Where is light? Description is light only, right? So it might be overriding. So just put not important because paragraph everything we are making bolder. That's why only we want here font weight bold 400 not important. That's it. Is it not applied? Just remove that. Let's see. It is overriding basically. So now only apply for this one and this one, not for this one. So we'll create a bolder class for that. Bolder. Just put font weight bolder for that only, not everyone, because it's not accepting. So bolder. Now just put where is this description? Duration only will give bolder. So primary. Okay, we'll do duration dot class list. Class is equal to empty. After that duration dot class list dot add one, which is primary. Again, we need to add one more like dot class list dot add. The last one is bolder. Two we can add. Just put just comment it. PUR dot. There also we can go do the same, right? In uh, here also BG white, right? I think here we don't need to do. So we need to do this one. Folder we need to add for this. Yes, we got this. So this is how we can do it. See, this is very beautiful now. Again, right side we can add that. Using DOM manipulation only you can do that, but that will take like it's not days, it will become months. So basically to develop the whole product, we need to understand that. That's it. Because see, I'm doing DOM manipulation here, whether for completed or not completed. I'm doing DOM manipulation. I'm okay. I know that. But the whole thing I can't do that, right? I can do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but only DOM manipulation wherever it is required. Then only I need to do. That's why we want to learn. If you know DOM manipulation well, only the thing is parent element will be appended with child element. Again, if you create a new one, the new one will be also appended. Again, inside there are few more childs for the new one. Again, few more will be added in the new child. That the whole new chain will be appended to the parent again. Only that criteria you need to remember. You have four children. Four children you want to append one by one to the parent division. Again, inside four children, again you have some children. Before appending, you need to add it. Then only you need to append finally. So this is how you need to remember. By just seeing this code, you can easily understand. Because the way I teach, you can directly understand, right? So you can directly sync up with that. This file I will upload, the ARM4, because this is very important for you. I will upload now only. This one, right? Module 4, DOM4, right? Reveal in file explorer. So I'll just rename it. DOM4.html. I can directly upload it.